How did watching your father run A-OK Automotive shape you on how you operate today?
Well, my father, like, as you know, like he's a very honest man. Like you were saying before, you're paying retail for alignments, and he told you straight up, right? Like
Yeah,
what you should be paying.
right.
So I think like the way he runs it is for customers. Like if he'll tell you exactly what you need, and he won't really upsell you, or maybe just inform you down the road you're going to need this, and that kind of builds trust with the customer. So that's what we try to do also in the auto body industry, because the auto body industry, there's a lot of things that are kind of embezzled, and there's things that you don't really need to fix,
Right.
and we try to explain that to our customers, try to give them the best price possible, look for the cheapest parts possible, just to get the car at least done, you know,
Right.
right at the right price. So
And I can agree with your statement, because there's lots of shops that we can deal with here in Oakville. There's lots of auto body shops. I think there's over 20 just on Spears Road alone that people can go to. And people come in all the time asking, again, Mike, can you give me a quote on this auto body repair? I got a scratch, I got a dent, I got hit, or my kid hit somebody, and we don't want to go through insurance, and can you guys just fix it up? And I explained, look, that's not our field. But I found you and started referring my clients to you first thing, through simplicity, and explain to them, look, this guy will give you an honest opinion on what the cost is actually going to be. Now, is there a big difference if someone goes through insurance versus doing a cash?
yeah, I mean, when you go through insurance, the big difference is that your insurance company, 90% of the time, they will do their own estimates.
Okay.
So they will send either an appraiser out, or nowadays, what they do is like a virtual estimate. So you'll take pictures of the car and pictures of the damage, and they'll send that estimate to us to go to work on that based on that estimate. Whereas like a cash deal or a retail deal, we will give you the estimate on the spot, and work with you to try to save the most money, right? Like if we can fix the bumper, we'll tell you straight up, we can repair this bumper. Sometimes it'll cost more to repair it versus replace it. So we'll even tell you that.